Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the ISB is up. Check outage notifications on your phone. Next, power cycle in sequence. Unplug both devices for 30 seconds, plug the modem back in and wait about 2 minutes so it syncs, then power the router. This resets transient faults and forces a fresh DHCP lease. Make sure you use the ISB device or enter the provider's WAN username/password if required. Once done, test a wired device to isolate Wi-Fi from upstream connectivity issues. With a wired laptop connected, log into the router's admin page using the LAN IP shown on the device label. Verify the router's LAN address and DHCP range don't conflict with another device. Conflicts prevent clients from getting an IP. Check the WAN status shows a public IP and the correct gateway. Inspect DNS entries, switch temporarily to the ISB DNS or 8 to confirm name resolution. Once configured, renew the laptop's IP and retry internet access to confirm the middle configuration is solid. Now validate end-to-end, ping or trace route to 8. Successful replies show upstream reachability. If Wi-Fi still fails but wired works, check SSID, security mode, and channel. Change channel to avoid interference. If nothing fixes it, perform a factory reset on the router and re-enter WAN credentials, but only after saving settings. If you remain offline, call the ISB with the modem serial and LED status. They can check provisioning and replace hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.